Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert BTC to USD in your Coinbase wallet. So what you're going to do is quite simple. Click on this option here, the last one over here. So what you'll do is simple. You can click on buy. Then when you click on buy, you see options over here. But you can also click on swap because you're going to be swapping. So click on swap, the second option. Then as you can see here, you're told that you don't have any crypto. Click on add crypto to your wallet and then you receive crypto over here. So after receiving crypto, assuming you received BTC, what you'll do is simple. You go back to the home page, then click on buy once there. So once on buy, click on receive once again. Now over here, click on BTC. As you can see, you see this wallet address of BTC. So once you click on BTC, you'll need to first go and receive BTC. Then after receiving the BTC, you go ahead and click on this swap button over here and then be able to swap from BTC to USD. Okay, and that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.